Today we're going to look at graphing a line by plotting points. Suppose we're given the equation y equals 5x plus 3. In order to graph this by plotting points, we make the following table. We then need to pick at least 3 points to graph a line. These are the numbers I like to use. 1 negative value, 1 positive value, and 0. 0 tells me the y-intercept. A negative value tells me the behavior of the line to the left of the y-axis, and a positive value tells me the behavior of the line to the right of the y-axis. Once I have my numbers picked out, I need to plug them into the equation. Then do the calculation. 5 times negative 2 is negative 10. Negative 10 plus 3 is negative 7. Now let's do 0. Five times 0 plus 3 is 3. Finally, let's do positive 2. 5 times 2 is 10, plus 3 is 13. Please pause the video and take a moment to copy this all down into your notes. Next, we plot the points on the graph and label the ordered pairs. The first point that we're going to plot is negative 2, negative 7. So I find negative 2 on the graph and negative 7 in the y direction on the graph and plot the point. It's approximately there. Label the point. Now graph the next point at 0, 3, which is also the y-intercept. This is a very important point, as it is where the line crosses the y-axis. Finally, plot the point 2, 13. Once all 3 points are drawn, you may then connect all 3 points with a line. Please pause the video and copy this into your notes. You might want to put a piece of graph paper with your notes, so that way your graph is accurate, as this will become important later in this chapter. Take a minute, copy the problem down to your notes and on your graph paper. Pause the video while you try to solve it and sketch a graph. Once again, I'm going to choose the same numbers, 2, negative 2, and 0. However, this time when I fill out the chart, I'm going to do them one at a time to show you a technique that allows you to do all your work in the table. Check this against yours. Now we're going to plot the points. Once the points are plotted, it's time to draw the line. Pause the video and copy this into your notes.